Hello everybody and good afternoon, at least on the Eastern Standard Time Zone. It's still June 18th, 2009, and I'm looking at a very nice market rally here. If you look at some of these trend lines, we can draw these right in. Not bad at all. You could even extend this one down to here if you consider that a nice stall. Not bad. So perfect symmetrical triangle forming right now on an intraday chart, just a little 3-minute chart. All of our lines matching up beautifully as well. So good resistance held pre-market, sold off a bit right back to support pre-market, and then rallied higher. Again, some of the news things that were coming out here. So jobless benefit rolls dropped sharply, even in the face of initial claims rising slightly. So there's some news there. Also, Democrats working hard to push banking overhaul, all sorts of things. So a lot of positive sentiment, oils rising, helping out stocks a little bit there. So news, a little bit of a drive up, but if you look at this in context, look at a larger time frame, this to me is just a great move back up into previous support once broken, becoming resistance test 1, test 2, test 3, right into a declining 100 MA on a 15-minute chart. So this makes sense at some of our previous numbers. One more time frame out, you can see on a 60-minute chart, all these numbers are in line. All right, so we are above the 200 MA again on the 60-minute, which is nice, at least on the bullish side of things. But again, these same numbers are intact from before. We'll see if we can push back up into the range of this high base. It's going to take some doing to do that. But again, we saw the support from before. This is nothing more than a type of consolidation at a 50% retracement, declining 50 MA on a daily chart, so on and so forth. 50 MA on a weekly chart, and all the things we had discussed before. So again, watch how this breaks one way or the other. Look at the TRIN. So finally, for once, it's reversed. The TRIN now has spent the majority of the day even below 0.8 with a little pop-up right now, while the TRIN Q has spent a good part of the day above that. So there's a good divergence between the trends, which is part of the reason why we're consolidating right now. The VIX, again, a good tiebreaker, is falling, showing a little bit more bullish sentiment than bearish. So that's my take on it. You look at the banking index, also rising nicely, but forming more of a ascending triangle of sorts in here. You can draw a straight line between any 2 points. Sometimes better to find the good resistance line and draw it like this. But this is not bad at all. You can draw this a couple different ways through here. But higher swing lows, showing a good potential break out of this. Again, slightly more bullish than bearish, at least right now. But you already know where the overhead consolidation is and the things to watch out for. So good stuff. Trade well, everybody. There's a good number of people in the chat room if you want to join them. Check out what they're talking about. And it's fun stuff. So anyway, look forward to D7's video this afternoon, and I'll talk to you soon.